The statement that we have is that sine theta is equal to cos theta is definitely possible if theta is an angle in a triangle. Is this true or false? So what we need to do is to take a look at that expression and convert it using trigonometric identities into an equation that we can solve for theta to see whether theta is a possible angle in a triangle. So if we take sine theta is equal to cos theta and we divide both sides by cos theta, we'll get that becomes 1. On the left hand side though, sine theta over cos theta using the quotient identity is tan theta. If you then take second function of tan on your calculator, you'll get theta is equal to 45 degrees. And then obviously we can have a triangle with a 45 degree angle in it. If we look at that triangle with a 90 degree angle over there, and we say that is theta, then we have the opposite side, which is that one over there. We've got the adjacent side over here, and we've got the hypotenuse side over there. But looking at tan theta is equal to 1, we can actually write that 1 on the right hand side as 1 over 1, which is then the opposite side over the adjacent side, which is the defining function for tan. So we will have then 1 over 1, which will then give us a 45 degree angle inside that triangle. Let's just indicate it like that. And then using the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, we can then stipulate that that should also be a 45 degree angle. And that basically then means that if we look at it from that perspective, we've still got opposite over adjacent as 1 over 1. Another way to look at this is to actually draw the graphs of sine and cos. So if we take a look at the axis diagram just for 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, just up to there, because that's the maximum number of degrees inside a triangle. The sine graph would then look like that, and it will top out at 1. The cos graph will start at 1, and it will go through 90 degrees and bottom out at -1. Stock standard sine and cos graph. And where these two graphs are equal will be the point where they intersect. And that point where they intersect will be at 45 degrees. You can look at it from that perspective as well. But all in all, it comes down to the fact that theta can be an angle inside a triangle. It's an acute angle. It's not so big that it cannot fit inside a triangle at all.